Do you want to learn how to delete a chat on DeepSeek AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To delete a chat on DeepSeek AI, first open a browser and go to deepseek.com and log into your account. Now, you will find here that there is a chat history on the left-hand side. In our video, we have one chat window open on the left-hand side. We want to delete it in the chat history. To do that, click on these three dots and then you will find delete option. Click on this and it's going to delete this chat. You can also delete all chats by clicking on this My Profile on the bottom left and click on delete all chats. Now to delete a chat on DeepSeek AI mobile, we're going to first open the app. On the top left, you will find these two lines. Click on it and you're going to see the chat history. The first one, we have this chat window in the chat history, and we want to delete this chat in the chat history. To do that, press and hold it, and it's going to give you two options. Click on the second one, which is delete, and it's going to give you a pop-up which says delete chat. Are you sure you want to delete? Just click on delete again, and that's it. You have now deleted the chat successfully. So that's how to delete a chat in DeepSeek AI mobile and browser. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.